Hello people, hello. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys in this video as I start the journey to my how I fund my account with Bitcoin, and then I start trading. So the first thing is I'm going to be buying Bitcoin right now. So see me buy Bitcoin. The first thing is click on Bitcoin, enter the amount. I'm going to be buying 30,000, and the plan is to use 30,000 to make like 100,000. So I will be withdrawing like 130. So boom, I'm going to click on search. Now the result that I get are what I'm going to be working with. You can see the first person is green, the second is like gray, the third is like gray. So I work with only the green one. I click on buy. I see the details of the Bitcoin I'm going to be receiving. You see, I'm going to be receiving 0.010187. Now, this is the value of 30,000 Bitcoin. Note this. This is what I'm going to receive, and this is what I'm going to be trading with, right? So the plan is to turn this to like 404. Yes, that's the plan. So what I'm going to be putting here is paying from GTB Bank. Then let me read. You need to always read the person's terms of trade. So drop your number first. I won't send account details, so I have to put my number here and say 09032971773. All right, so I'll click on send request. I'm going to be pausing this so that it's just going to be precise. Go into the whole thing. You're going to see me cover how I buy the Bitcoin, fund the account, trade, then make profits, withdrawal, and I turn it to physical cash. All right, so I'll be right back. Okay, this person has responded. He has given me a bank account. I've actually tried to make the payment, but I think it was the network that was wrong. So I've done the payment. So since I've done the payment, I can say paid. I'll send the message, send paid, and I click on make payment. I'll say I have paid. Now I have paid. What you need to observe here is that the person actually sent me the account details. So there was a communication. So there must be a communication. If the person did not send you account details, do not pay into any bank you see. Make sure you get account details from the person. Then once you get the account details from the person, you can now make your payment. Now I will be waiting for this person to release the Bitcoin once confirming the payment. Now let me show you. I'm going to pause and show you the payment made. Okay, before I could check for the payment, whatever, the person has already released the Bitcoin. You can see the Bitcoin here. It has been released. So let's move to the second phase where I'm going to be sending this Bitcoin to my binary Bitcoin wallet, Bitcoin account. So all you need to do is come to binary. Now you're going to select your BTC account. I'm a bit far from my internet, so that's why it's breaking this way. So all I need to do now is you can see this, it has already loaded. So I'm going to select cashier. From cashier, I'm going to click on deposit. Now once I click on deposit, I am going to copy the wallet address that will be on display. You can see wallet address on display. Always do this. Don't use the previous one because they change it once you make use of it. So I'm going to show you again. I've copied, select it, copy. Then I go to my local Bitcoin account. So I'm going to come here and paste it here. Now I paste it here. Then I copy this, send up to. That's what can leave my account because of the charges. So I'm going to paste this here. In remark, I'm going to say funding binary with 30K. Yeah, 30K. You can see it's showing 29,000, whatever. Yeah, so I'm going to change this back to USD. I like using USD. Naira does not make any sense because it changes all the time. So I'm going to have USD, right? So you can see $83. That's what I have here, $83. Okay, so I'm going to click on continue. Now, you have to put your password if you are the type you have password. I already have my own password, so I can say password there and I say send. Now, once I send this, it's not going to be immediate. You need to note this. It's not going to be immediate. You need to give it time, allow it to reflect. If it takes more than 24 hours, then you need to inform, chat up the support on binary, and they will address this. Now, how do I know whether this one has left? Once it has like 3 or 4 confirmation, it should reflect in my account. You can see here it's still saying pending. Look at it here. It has not left yet. So until it leaves by local Bitcoin, it has to be processed together with all other ones. Then it's going to go at once. But you give it more time, allow it to go. Once it's sent, then you need 3 to 4 confirmation. Sometimes there is always lag and delay, then it doesn't reflect immediately. So always be patient. Don't be in a rush. Be patient. Don't be in a rush. So once this reflects, I will be ready to trade. Right? Once this reflects, I will be ready to make some trade. All right. I think I'm going to stop this so that it will not be lengthy. So I'm going to break it down into different. You can see it's now showing cents. Right? It's now showing cents. Can see it's now showing cents. Now what I'll do is I'm going to copy the wallet address again, and I'm going to check the status on blockchain. So let's open another this. I'm going to go to blockchain.com and I'm going to check the status of that same wallet so that you get to know how many confirmation you have received. That's where you get to monitor your wallet. Now you're going to see, you can see the Bitcoin is there. It has been sent to this wallet, but it needs confirmation, unconfirmed transaction. So once it has like 3 to 4, it should reflect on binary.com. So you need to give it time. You need to give it time. It's not like using the card. It needs time. This one needs time. It needs time to function. So guys, I'm going to stop this here. The next video is going to come. It's going to be from when it reflects, and I trade with it, make profit. And the last video is going to be about withdrawal. All right, God bless you. Have a wonderful day.